Okay, this is the training video for the Actual Margarita that is on our menu. And pretty much the only margarita that we can make because we don't have sour mix here at the River Club. Margaritas used to be very pure, wholesome things. Corporate America has really poisoned them with high fructose corn syrup, sour mixes that you buy at the grocery store, those pre-made Jose Cuervo margarita bottles that are like this big and they're just gut rot and they're awful. So this is what we do instead, okay? So we're gonna take half a lime and we are gonna squeeze it into our shaker, put the lime in there. We want the lime in there because we want those lime essence oils to go inside of our shaker, okay? Tequila, 2 ounces. Triple sec, ½ ounce. Simple syrup. Simple syrup. 3/4 of an ounce. Where's the jigger? Still cannot find the jigger. Simple syrup. 3/4 of an ounce. Ice. Shake. 12-ounce cup. Pour. Margarita.